Welcome back to the KOM Morning News. It is time to make a pet connection. I was talking to Jasmine Kyle at the SEK Humane Society. Jasmine, thank you so much for joining us this early in the morning. Coming off of the 4th of July weekend, I know that can be a stressful time for your animals. And it's one of those things that I know you guys do your utmost to take care of them, but once again, it's a whole lot of noise in the air for them. And so now we can kind of get back to concentrating on letting them get some peace and quiet and find great homes for them. I'm curious, you were telling me about this dog named Montana.
Yeah.
Because the first thing you said was if you like a dog with great ears, Montana's the one for you. Tell me a little bit about Montana, how it came about and like why it's so distinctive about his ears.
Yeah, so Montana is a 7-year-old Mountain Cur Terrier mix. We believe he also has some Australian cattle dog in him because of those big, giant ears. He is so cute. When his attention gets on something, I mean, they'll go from down to, way up in the air, and it catches everybody's eyes. But he's actually a very small dog. He comes up to about my knee height, so he is medium-sized. Unfortunately, his previous owner passed away, and his owner and the new family members could not take care of him, so he was surrendered into our care. So Montana is looking for a new home. He does great with other dogs, but looking for a home with no cats. And Montana's sponsored, meaning he has no adoption fee as well.
So let's talk about Brownie.
Yeah. He is a cute little boy. So Brownie is a lab mix. He is 1 year and 3 months old. He loves water. I mean, if you have a hose out and you see those crazy slow-mo videos of the dogs going after hoses and they jump, that's Brownie. He has his own pool in his run because he loves water so much.
Good enough to take Brownie out to a pit, a lake, and he'll be all right on that?
Oh, he would love that. Absolutely.
There you go. There you go, people that love your outdoor activity. Brownie's going to be the one for you. Now, I want to end with this one because Jasmine was telling me about this dog, and when she told me what the mix was, I'm like, this dog, it doesn't. I like bigger dogs. Okay, so just that's my fault. A Lab Husky mix.
Yeah.
With the apropos name of Diesel.
Yeah, he's a cute boy. So Diesel is fairly young too. He's about the same age as Brownie, just a little over a year old. And he is a Lab Husky mix. He's black and he has this beautiful white stripe, and his tail curls right back in the end. He's a very sweet guy. He does great with other dogs. We have not cat tested him as of yet, so we need to start doing that at some point. But for the whole month of July, we're at full capacity. So for the entire month, we're dropping our adoption fees to the lowest that we've ever done.
Wow.
And all dogs are just $20. So Diesel's only $20 for the whole month of July. And all of our fur babies, cats and dogs, they're spayed and neutered, they're microchipped, and they're up to date on their vaccinations.
And Jasmine, just really fast, if somebody's like apprehensive and they're like, me and the fam, we've been talking about this, maybe we want to make this next step, but we're not sure. Yeah. Tell everybody about the opportunities to, number one, take the dogs for a walk. Number two, maybe even be a foster family.
Absolutely. So that's something that we started when COVID happened, when we really had to switch the organization in a different direction, when things started to go remote, and we do foster to adopt. So if you are really bonding with a dog and you can absolutely come on the weekends. We're open to the public now on weekends. You can come walk dogs. But if you're still hesitant on that next step, we can actually put that dog in 1 to 2 week foster care with you to see how things go. And then after that point, if things are perfect, then your foster will become foster to adopt, and we'll start the adoption process.
All right, Miss Kyle, give us the details. How do we reach you? Because we want to make sure that Montana, Brownie, and Diesel all have great homes.
Yeah, absolutely. So our website is our biggest contact right now. You can go to our website. That's the SEKHumaneSociety.com. You can see all of our adoptable animals. You'll click on the one you're interested in, and it'll send you to an application site. On the applications, don't worry, you can list more than 1 or so animals, and we will schedule you a private adoption appointment for you to meet them. Or you can come out on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, and see them firsthand. Or you can give us a call at 620-232-1840.
Jasmine Kyle, she is in charge of the SEK Humane Society, taking care of pets and making sure that a whole lot of people have long-term company. Jasmine, thank you so much for joining us, and look forward to seeing you here in a couple of weeks.
Thank you.
All right, we'll have more KOM morning news for you right after this.